Yo, what's up guys, it's Mystic, and are you still seeing that loading circle on your Fire Stick? Well, today we're fixing that stutter for good by optimizing your VLC catch and hardware decoding. And disclaimer, this is just a technical troubleshooting guide for media playback only. Alright, let's get right into it. So first thing, you're going to have the VLC app, which if you see my previous video, you would know why. But once you go to the settings and you go right here, you go to the very bottom, it should say Advanced. And then we're going to look for the option where it's going to ask us to change the network catching. And when we click on that, which is the first thing that pop up, we're going to have to change it from, right now it's at 0 to 60,000. And as you can tell, it's in MS. So that basically, this gives your device a 60-second head start on data, so it never has to pause. So basically, the 60,000 equates to 60 seconds, so your device can have all the information already loaded up, so it can prevent the actual buffering and loading. Now for the second setting that we're actually going to go to is right here. This is the GPU acceleration. Now once you go to this section right here, the hardware accelerated decoding, just change this to full. And even right here you see it says full may improve performance. But other than that, this is a quick guide, guys, and honestly these tweaks should have you running smoothly. And if you're tired of these restrictions altogether, stay tuned for my next video on the top hardware replacements of 2026. But anyway, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.